Okay, walk back, everybody. Walk back, walk back. Get back, back, back.
Yeah, yeah, woo, woo. I'm crazy like a monkey.
Awesome. Did you have fun?
Yeah, of course.
Good experience?
I love you. You were great fun. Okay. Yeah, we'll come back. We'll meet you guys over there.
Okay, awesome. That's good.
Thank you.
Glad you enjoyed yourself.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Okay, 5 seconds. Okay, now that we saw Nana, so we're gonna move and check out other spots so that we could see how the other groups are doing. We're going to Marvin Krong, MBK section, which is right next to the Art and Culture Center, Bangkok Art and Culture Center. Let's go there and see what's up. So we're going from Nana Station to National Stadium Station. Oh, look at the sun, nice and bright. You see MBK Mall, and I saw people wiping windshields.
Yeah, yeah, woo, woo. I'm crazy like a monkey. Have like a new year. Yeah, yeah, woo, woo. Love you. We love you. I love you. We love you.
we started with 9 people on our first goal. We raised 27,000 baht in about 2 hours. On our second go, it increased to 131,000 baht in about 2.5 hours. Last week, it increased again to 328,000 baht. And this time, ladies and gentlemen, I feel so honored to make this announcement.